Welcome to the Daily Quiz Podcast. Today's category is Science and Nature. Let's get to it. Question 1. What is phytosociology the study of? Is it A. The ecology of plant communities? B. The nature and origins of knowledge? C. The interrelationship between an organism's physical functioning and its environment? Or D. Schematic layouts? The answer is A. The ecology of plant communities.
Phytosociology, the study of plant communities, delves into the intricate relationships between different plant species within an ecosystem. Interestingly, this field not only focuses on the physical aspects of plants but also explores their social interactions and dynamics. It's like peeking into a botanical society with its own rules and hierarchies.
Question 2. If you're in the northern hemisphere, Polaris, the North Star, can be found by looking which direction? Is it A. North, B. East, C. West, or D. South? The answer is A. North.
Polaris, the North Star, is located almost directly above the Earth's North Pole. Interestingly, due to the Earth's axis pointing towards Polaris, it appears stationary in the night sky while all other stars appear to rotate around it. This unique positioning has made Polaris a crucial navigational tool for centuries.
Question 3. What is Coleopterology the study of? Is it A. Beetles, B. The Shroud of Turin, C. Angels, or D. The upper atmosphere? The answer is A. Beetles.
Did you know that there are more species of beetles on Earth than any other type of animal? With over 350,000 known species and potentially millions more waiting to be discovered, coleopterology is a fascinating field that delves into the diverse world of these incredible insects.
Question 4. What chemical has the formula NaCI? Is it A. Trichloromethane, B. Iron oxide, C. Calcium magnesium carbonate, or D. Sodium chloride? The answer is D. Sodium chloride.
Sodium chloride, commonly known as table salt, is not only used to enhance the flavor of food but also has various other surprising uses. It is used in the production of glass, detergents, and even in some beauty products like shampoo. Additionally, it plays a crucial role in preserving food and can help with cleaning household items.
Question 5. What is the smallest bone in the human body? Is it A. Tibia, B. Humerus, C. Femur, or D. Stapes? The answer is D. Stapes.
The stapes, also known as the stirrup bone, is not only the smallest bone in the human body but also one of the most vital. This tiny bone located in the middle ear is crucial for transmitting sound vibrations to the inner ear. Despite its size, it plays a significant role in our ability to hear and perceive sound.
Question 6. What is the word for a group of racehorses? Is it A. A troop, B. A parliament, C. A yoke, or D. A field? The answer is D. A field.
In horse racing, the term field is used to describe a group of racehorses competing against each other. Interestingly, the size of a field can vary greatly from just a few horses to as many as 20 or more in major races like the Kentucky Derby. The dynamics and strategies involved in navigating through a crowded field add an extra layer of excitement to horse racing events.
Question 7. Which of these birds can swim but not fly? Is it A. Swan, B. Eagle, C. Stork, or D. Penguin? The answer is D. Penguin.
Penguins are not only skilled swimmers but also expert divers, with some species capable of reaching depths of over 500 meters, 1,640 feet, in search of food. Their unique wing structure has evolved into flippers for efficient underwater propulsion, making them masters of the sea despite their inability to take flight in the air.
Question 8. What is a baby donkey known as? Is it A. maggot, B. a colt, C. an owlet, or D. a bunny? The answer is B. a colt.
An interesting fact about baby donkeys is that they are known for their strong bond with their mothers. Baby donkeys, or colts, often stay close to their mothers for protection and guidance. This close relationship helps the young donkey learn important survival skills and social behaviors within the herd.
Question 9. Who famously shouted Eureka? Is it A. Pythagoras, B. Euclid, C. Aristotle, or D. Archimedes? The answer is D. Archimedes.
Legend has it that when Archimedes discovered the principle of buoyancy while taking a bath, he was so excited that he ran through the streets of Syracuse naked shouting Eureka, which means I have found it in Greek. This iconic moment is still celebrated as a symbol of sudden realization and discovery.
As we bid adieu, remember, in the world of science and nature, curiosity is key. Keep exploring, stay curious, and let knowledge bloom like a beautiful flower. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. It's time for us to say goodbye, until we see each other again tomorrow.
This episode is produced by Classic Studios. See the show notes page for sources and credits. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.